I guess I should have seen this coming.
Well, I've never seen 4 with a key before.
That's the whole point of the challenge!
You sure did!
Is there anything your teammates want that you weren't letting them have?
Whoa!
Oh, we kind of forgot.
Yeah!
15!
And the rest of our team, please.
Yeah. Door! Dang it.
Even though she stole Dream Island, wanna come?
You can make it! We have these cheap plastic green toys.
Aren't you sad you didn't rejoin?
I'll see what I can do.
Isn't it a shame we can't study Dora anymore?
Just have to.
So that means he's okay with trash. What? No!
Fix me!
We gotta turn around.
Oh, gag, now it's coming out of 2 holes!
Well, excuse me for wanting to be outside in the sun instead of this disgusting field of 4-shaped growths.
Here!
Let's go! Let's go!
I'm not letting Spongy get used as a disposable tool once again!
This is great. Got him!
Now he's Fajortis da Falafuzz.
I don't have any seeds, but here is a 4.
I'm just doing it because everyone else is! Remember us, okay?
You are arm waving too.
And I'm not even a screw!
I could really go for some chicken nuggets right now.
I found my next adventure.
Let me think about it.
Forgot what it was like to be without you and really miss you.
Oh, you mean this gesture?
Oh my cloud!
Rats!
When's the last time you saw her emote this happy anyway? This is good for her.
The lava will kill us!
What can I talk to you?
Hey, Spongy, can my friend Bommy and I join your team?